compound tax. In this video, we will discuss how to set up a compound tax. You can go to settings, select taxes, select tax rates, and you can click this new tax button. You can enter tax name, tax rate, and there's a checkbox. This tax is a compound tax. If you check this checkbox, this tax will create as a compound tax. And advantage of this compound tax is, if you are charging second tax, it will calculate taxes for primary taxes also. We will create tax name as VAT 20, and you will enter rate as 20 and check this tax is a compound tax. And then when you are charging this VAT 20 for other taxes, it will calculate tax for primary tax also. Okay, we will do some examples for this compound tax in practice questions. Now you can save this compound tax. Like that, we can create compound tax.